Before we get into it, I want to tell you about this introductory offer, brand new. Link is in the description and the first comment. It is an introductory offer where you get 2 weeks of the battle plan, 2 weeks of trading with us live on Zoom, and 2 weeks of our strong indicator for a one-time fee. If you're interested, click the link below. So we're going to highlight the battle plan trades of the week and of course the live trading on Tuesday. So this was last Friday. We had this nice big old vomit here, and then we took back not quite half of the distance. I outline up to 5 trade ideas, and sometimes I do what is called a speculator's special. On this particular day, I did give a speculator special, limit order short at 17 to 19. And well, I missed that by looks like 1 tick, but there's 17 to 19. So we got really close to that. Battle plan trade idea number 1. It is not of importance. It is just visually, I numbered them going down the page, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so as you can tell, that basically was what we were looking for here. 17 to 19 was kind of the top in my opinion. That's why it was kind of called the speculator special. And then you had to move back down. Then Monday night, publish a new battle plan, which is unlocked for everybody. The reason I unlocked the Monday night's battle plan is because we are live on Tuesday. I want you to know what we are looking for as a micros trader group. And if you were live with us on Tuesday morning, you know our focus was on this battle plan trade here. We called long at 94, and that really turned out to be the trade of the week. In fact, you could still be in that trade. Why am I not in that trade? That was the one trade I said, I'm not taking this one. I literally said that out loud. I'm not taking this one. And in my own brain, I'm like, why are you not taking this one? I said long 94 to 92. You had to be at 94, and boom, there we go. Nice big move there. And while we were live on YouTube and Zoom, we were mapping out, these were the targets. These were the targets that I was giving you of what I would be looking where price should go for you to keep a runner back. Now, ultimately, if the day ended and you kept your lotto runner, depending on what type of count you have, at break even, or even if you moved it to 50% of the RTH move, you're still in this trade. I tend to recommend 5 points behind the RTH low, or if we have some nice strong levels and you want to play that differently, you do you. But 5 points below this, you're still in the trade. 5 points below this, you're still in the trade. You are still in that long. So certainly trade of the week. We tend to get one trade a week that goes 100 points. That was the trade right there. It was on Tuesday. And if you want to go watch that session, it's right here on YouTube. Just go to my channel. You're already on it. And click the live link and look at and watch Tuesday's live trading. Or I have a shortened video of it, a condensed version on the regular video section. And then released 5 more trade ideas here. Actually, none of them were activated. I did take one small short here, but of course the market had eyes higher up and didn't pull back enough to actually get me long. Didn't behave to activate any of the battle plan trades. So no trades there. Wednesday, no trades activated. As you can tell, I was hoping this green is what I really want to happen when it's in green. I was hoping because we had a ladder down day. We didn't finish the strongest, but we did retrace half the day. So I was hoping we would open up and come down here and grab this low. That didn't happen. So none of these battle plan trades happened on Wednesday either. You know, you map your trades, you wait. Sometimes you get them, sometimes you don't.
Sometimes you feel like that, sometimes you don't.
And then Thursday night published another set of battle plan trades with another speculator special. This is the one trade I actually ended up taking and during the RTH session. I took an 05 short here and captured 10-point move into here, came back and got me after the liquidity grab, but cool. I would have stayed short had we gotten under 70, but that didn't happen. Overnight, you'd had to been up at 2 or 3 in the morning, but battle plan trade number 1 activated and certainly would have been profitable. In fact, you'd probably still be in that trade. Now, I did recommend when we're live on Zoom to take your TP at, or just before is what I said. Take it just before the all-time high, because I had mapped out this speculators special where I'm not calling a top, but that's where I expect there to be a reaction. And there isn't much of a distance from this all-time high and this 03 to 05. Just take your profit here. Just take your profit there. Now, if you're still in that trade from Tuesday, I think you just continue to play perfect chess. If this turns out to be the high for a while, week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, oh well. But this didn't move far enough for me to stay short. And if you're long, you've got to just stay with the trend until the trend ends. When is there a change of tone? Well, the first change of tone is we have to ladder under an RTH low. So we have Friday's low here. Will we open up with a gap down and then ladder under the low? If that happens, things might be beginning to change. The Titanic turns slowly. It's a large ship with a small rudder. If you are interested in this 2-week offer, go ahead and grab it. I'll make sure that you get added to the strong levels indicator, and I will see you live Monday morning on Zoom.